This is our 16-inch by 132-inch South Bend lathe. Machine was new in 1987, so it's one of the last 16-inch machines they ever made. Cam lock spindle. This machine has flame hardened beds, carriage, steady rest, tailstock. Coming back out, if you can see the flame hardened tag. Going to give you a close-up of the ways because there's basically no wear on this machine. It was not used very much. Going to bring it on. Not a ton to see on a South Bend, but I'll show you what we can. So you've got a high and a low range forward and a high and a low range reverse. Forward. That's the high. Now reverse. Show you the carriage. Stop. So this is our 16 by 137 inch South Bend lathe with flame hardened ways and a cam lock spindle. Thank you for watching.